Did you know that the Earth's magnetic field might be responsible for shaping the very mountains we see today? It's a wild idea, but science is starting to back it up. Imagine the planet as a giant spinning magnet, with invisible forces pulling and pushing on the crust below our feet. These forces aren't just floating in space, they're actually bending and pushing the Earth's crust, like a giant invisible hand shaping the land. So, the next time you look at a mountain, remember, it might be standing there because of the Earth's own magnetic field. But how exactly does this happen? Let's dive into the science behind magnetic fields and mountain formation. So, what exactly are we talking about? Well, let's start by visualizing Earth's magnetic field, an invisible shield that wraps around our planet like a giant invisible blanket. Now, imagine this invisible force interacting with the planet's crust, not just pushing and pulling, but actually influencing the movement of tectonic plates and the formation of mountain ranges. This isn't just theory. Scientists have discovered that magnetic fields can influence the orientation of mountain ranges, even affecting how they grow and reshape over millions of years. So, when we talk about magnetic fields shaping mountain ranges, we're not just talking about geology. We're talking about an invisible force that's quietly sculpting the very shape of our planet. It's like the Earth has its own invisible hand, guiding, pulling, and shaping the land we walk on, all without a sound. You might think magnetic fields are just something scientists study in labs, but they're actually shaping the world you live in, right under your feet. Every time you feel the ground shift, or notice a strange magnetic pull, it's not just Earth's rotation or your phone's compass. It's the planet's magnetic field, working in ways you can't see. These invisible forces influence how mountains rise, how volcanoes erupt, and even how tectonic plates move. Without them, the Earth's surface would be vastly different. So, the next time you're hiking or just looking at a map, remember, you're standing on a planet where magnetic fields are quietly sculpting the very land beneath your feet. It's all around you, shaping the world you take for granted. And it's more than just science. It's part of the story of how Earth became the home we know. Imagine fast-forwarding through billions of years. Mountains rise, erode, and reform. But what if a hidden force has been nudging them all along? Back 4 billion years ago, Earth's magnetic field was wild and unstable. It wasn't the calm, orderly force we know today. Over millions of years, these subtle magnetic influences may have guided the movement of tectonic plates, shaping the very mountains we see today. So next time you stand on a mountain, remember, you're standing on the legacy of a magnetic force that's been shaping Earth for eons. Imagine Earth is like a giant battery, and inside it, there's a spinning iron ball that makes the planet magnetic. That's our planet's heart, the core. This magnetic field is like an invisible bubble around the whole planet, and it's stronger at the poles and weaker at the equator. Even though we can't see it, this invisible force is part of what helps shape the mountains we see today, like the Rockies or the Himalayas. So, the magnetic field isn't just about compasses and fridge magnets, it's actually helping build the mountains we live on. So, where do magnetic fields even come from? Well, deep in Earth's core, molten iron churns and moves, creating a dynamo that generates our planet's magnetic field. This movement is chaotic, but it's not random. It's driven by convection currents and Earth's rotation, which together create a magnetic field that extends far beyond our planet. Now, imagine this magnetic field as a giant invisible web, stretching thousands of kilometers out into space, interacting with the solar wind and Earth's crust. But how does this invisible force start shaping the mountains? Well, it's not the magnetic field itself, but how it interacts with the planet's magnetic minerals and crustal movements. These interactions can influence tectonic processes, like how magnetic minerals align during plate movements, subtly guiding the direction of mountain formation. Now that we've seen the magnetic field's initial pull, The next step is how it actually shapes the mountains. Imagine this force acting like an invisible hand, gently nudging the Earth's crust. This movement triggers stress in the crust, causing deep fractures and pushing rock layers upward, like a giant, slow-moving wave of Earth. But it's not just about pushing. The magnetic field also guides the direction of this uplift, determining where the mountains will grow strongest. This process is subtle, but powerful, like a steady, invisible wind shaping the land over vast timescales. So, even though we can't see it, the magnetic field is an invisible force that helps shape the very mountains we stand on. So now, the magnetic field isn't just pushing or pulling, it's starting to twist the rock. Imagine the Earth's magnetic field like a giant invisible rubber band, and the tectonic plates are the pieces being stretched. This twist is crucial. It creates a kind of twisted tension that keeps the plates from just sliding past each other. It's like when you twist a piece of clay. It holds its shape, but is ready to break if the force gets too strong. These twisted magnetic fields can even leave behind fossilized imprints in the rock. Like a record of the Earth's magnetic history, they help us understand how the planet has changed over millions of years. But here's the twist. Sometimes the magnetic field can actually help the mountain range form. By influencing how the crust bends and folds, it can shape the very peaks and valleys we see today. So the magnetic field isn't just a background force. It's an active player in the game of mountain building, twisting, pulling, and shaping the Earth itself in ways we are only beginning to understand. So, beneath the surface, the Earth's magnetic field is like a silent force, invisible but powerful. It's not just a compass needle. It's a magnetic engine shaping the planet's crust in ways we're only beginning to understand. Scientists now believe these magnetic fields interact with the planet's molten core, creating subtle stresses that can influence tectonic plates over millions of years. It's like a magnetic whisper guiding the Earth's bones. This is where the real magic happens. Deep in the Earth's mantle, where magnetic forces and geodynamics intertwine. It's a dynamic, ever-changing dance, one that we're only just beginning to decode. By studying these interactions, we're not just mapping the Earth's magnetic field, we're uncovering how the planet itself is shaped, layer by layer, over eons of time. Imagine Earth's magnetic field as a giant invisible rubber band, stretching around our planet like a tight invisible sock. It's not pulling, but it's definitely holding things in place. Now, think of mountain ranges as the stubborn bits of dough that don't want to be stretched. The magnetic field is like a slow, steady hand trying to pull them apart. But instead of dough, we're talking about crust and rock. And instead of a hand, we're talking about the Earth's magnetic field subtly influencing the shape of the planet over millions of years. It's not a dramatic force, but it's constant and persistent, like a whisper that shapes the world over time, without ever shouting. So yes, it's dumb, but it's also accurate. The magnetic field may not be the main force in mountain building, but it's a quiet, steady player in the grand geologic orchestra. Before you go, if you enjoyed this, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And tell us in the comments what you'd like us to make next. We read every single one. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you made it to the end.